But in the dating world, suddenly, as soon as we're dating, we're super prejudiced. Super prejudiced. We're immediately prejudging, which is where prejudice comes from, right? We're prejudging on age, looks, body size, coolness factor, income. We become little tyrants, at least I did. I had to go, wow, is this me? Is this me? Is this the way I want to be in the world? I've been taught to treat people, men in particular, well, women too. I've been taught to treat, when I'm single, I've been taught to treat people that way. I don't want to do that anymore. It's hard to evolve yourself out of that because it's so intense. I've been watching people ever since I started changing myself, and I'll see friends, they'll go, oh, we were out in the park and we met this really good looking guy and I thought, that's a good match for my sister. It's like, on the basis of what? Right? On the basis of what? But we're taught to think this way, that's a good match. If you look a certain way, you're a good match. So I was dating like that. I was trying to, oh, this guy looks like he'd be great for me. And I think it's so thick and intense that we don't even see it, and we start trying to look out of it. And then I realized, I looked over this past I'd have of dating and being in relationships, and I went, you know, I've been a half-loving person, and that's why I'm attracting half-loving men. It's not the men's fault, it's me. Because the frequency you are is what you'll attract. So if I'm not attracting the right people, like you went on a little internal journey and went, hey, it's me, I gotta stop attracting the same person. Thanks for sharing that. Because it's like, if I'm not attracting guys who want to be in a relationship with me or aren't the right person or this or that or are kind of mean or criticize me like my dad did, that's me. So it takes some work on yourself, and it takes opening up to people in a new way that's really hard to do when we're dating by the conventional standards, because our friends underline the conventional way of looking at things. So the media underlines the conventional way of looking at things. I went on I've been off the dating apps now. We've been together for 5 years, and I went on one of the newer ones recently, Hinge, just to check it out, and I saw they put up like 3 fake profiles immediately of super good looking guys. I'm like, what? Where's the real men? I'm interested in, you know, real men. But it was like, obviously these 3 fake guys are like, oh, that's what everybody wants. So we see how part of tantric dating is starting to examine, how have I been conventionally brainwashed into who's a good partner for me? I think men almost have it worse than women, because men are taught to focus on, this is what hot women look like. And that's all they look like. But I could be wrong. It could be equally amongst the sexes. So when